Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. We're a household that hates waste, and there are always random pieces of bread that we know no one is going to be eating since they've gone stale or lost their freshness. So instead of throwing them away, we cut them up and toast them, and voila, we have croutons for soups and salads always available around the house now. Let's start by cutting up the pieces of bread, and I've got the Lebanese bread in a different pan because I'm going to be using slightly different seasonings on the Lebanese bread than on the toast bread, and also because the Lebanese bread is thinner and will toast up faster, so it's always best to separate them. We'll drizzle them both with olive oil, sprinkle salt on both pans too, then sprinkle garlic powder on both and onion powder on both, then a good amount of black pepper powder on both. If you've got dried parsley, sprinkle that on both of them too. Now I'm only putting dried oregano, dried basil, and dried rosemary on the toast bread to make it into a more Italian seasoning profile. Then we're gonna start mixing and tossing around the breads so that they are well coated with everything before we go ahead and put them in a preheated oven. 160 to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes and they should be ready. Store in a well-sealed jar or Tupperware and enjoy them on your salads and soups at any time you like. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!